In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Pictory, a powerful AI video editing tool. Whether you're creating marketing videos or educational content, mastering these text editing features will enhance your project significantly. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, begin by navigating to Pictory's website. To do this, open your web browser and type in pictory.ai into the search bar. This will take you to the homepage of Pictory, which offers a range of video editing tools. Once you've reached the site, you'll need to log in to access the editing features. Click on the Continue with Google button, which simplifies the login process by using your Google account credentials to access Pictory. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to your projects. On the main navigation bar, you will see the Projects tab. Clicking on this will display a list of your current projects or videos that you've been working on. Now find the project you want to edit. To the right of each project, you'll notice a set of 3 dots. These 3 dots represent additional options or settings you can apply to your project. Click on this icon, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Edit Project to enter the editing interface. Once you're inside the editing mode, you'll see your project laid out before you. To edit any specific text component, simply click on the text you wish to change. By doing this, a toolbar will appear above the text, offering a variety of editing options. With this toolbar, you can start by editing the font. This can help set the tone of your video and resonate with your target audience. Find a font style that appeals to you and suits the message you're conveying. Next, adjust the font size. It's important to ensure your text is large enough to be easily read on various screen sizes, but not so large that it overwhelms the other content on screen. Style customization doesn't stop there. You can also edit the text style, which might include bolding or italicizing certain sections to add emphasis. Additionally, the text transform option gives you the ability to switch your text between uppercase, lowercase, or sentence case, depending on your needs. Moving on, text alignment is equally essential. Ensure your text aligns correctly within your video's framing, be it left, center, or right aligned. Don't forget about color. Changing the text color can make your text pop and catch the viewer's attention, while also ensuring it stands out against the background. Speaking of backgrounds, Pictory allows you to adjust the background color of your text box. This is useful for maintaining visual coherence with the rest of your video's design. Finally, consider adding text animation to make your text appear more dynamic. Animated text can help maintain viewer engagement by adding a layer of professionalism and polish to your content. And that wraps up our guide on how to edit text in Pictory. By following these steps, you can refine your video projects and potentially create more compelling and visually appealing content. Thanks for watching and happy editing.